Tips for building a better email marketing campaign. Would you like to reach a broad audience in a very direct way? You can do that with email marketing. But how can you use email marketing to its fullest potential? In this video, you'll find some great tips that will make the emails you send out a huge success. To make sure your emails don't turn people off, always seek permission before sending them out. Include a subscription button on your site, and encourage regular customers to have their friends sign up as well. If you'd like to give people some extra encouragement to subscribe, you could feature subscriber-only deals. Be persistent with your email marketing messages. It can take as many as 20 emails to one prospect before you routinely have their attention. Try telling a good story through your messages. Hook them with a few messages and let it unfold over a series. Running contests that span several weeks are a good way to do this. Include a link at the bottom of any marketing emails that allows people to unsubscribe easily. If someone does not want to receive your messages, providing a simple way for them to unsubscribe is preferable to ending up in their spam folder. It will also help to protect your reputation as a business that respects its customers. You need to get your customers' permission in order to send them any correspondence by email. Being known as a spammer is the worst reputation a company can have online and will lead to a loss in customers and sales. You may also find yourself blacklisted by some ISPs, making even bigger problems for the campaign and business. Make sure you have a clear, unsubscribe button. Do not forget to insert the unsubscribe link or put it in a hard to find spot. It is important that your customers feel in control and that they aren't being forced into anything. Develop content that is interesting and informative to your customer base. The message should be engaging, and not filled with dry, boring content. The recipients are more likely to read it all the way through if it is not too long. As they see that your content is relevant, your reputation will grow. Now that you've watched this video, you know how to make email marketing work for you. Apply these tips, and you're sure to see results. Feel free to experiment with what you've learned and develop new strategies of your own. A little emailing can go a very, very long way. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.